Hey everyone, happy Wednesday, February 18th. I'm Endrit Sella, and this is Capital Markets Quickie. Let's jump into what's driving the week ahead. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's dive right in. Well, U.S. stocks edged slightly higher in a pretty choppy session as Wall Street continued to digest those ongoing artificial intelligence jitters that have been shaking markets for weeks now. The Nasdaq Composite managed to flip back into positive territory and closed about 0.1% higher after being deep in the red earlier in the day. The Standard & Poor's 500 hovered just above the flat line, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished more or less unchanged. Now, one standout on the day was Apple. Shares jumped more than 3%, driven by optimism that the company is accelerating development of wearable devices with built-in artificial intelligence features. That helped stabilize sentiment in the broader tech space, at least for now. After the break for President's Day, concerns around artificial intelligence kept simmering beneath the surface. Investors are clearly on edge, scanning for the next potential industry disruption. Recent fears around artificial intelligence reshaping entire sectors, from wealth management to transportation to logistics, have weighed on markets. In fact, both the Dow and the Standard & Poor's 500 have now declined in 4 of the past 5 weeks. Looking ahead, earnings season is entering its final stretch. The big highlight for this week is Walmart's quarterly earnings report, coming tomorrow. It's the first report since the retail giant officially joined the trillion-dollar market capitalization club, so expectations are definitely elevated. And finally, a bit of drama in the media space. Shares of Paramount Skydance climbed more than 5% after reports that Warner Bros. Discovery has given the studio 1 week to return with an improved takeover offer after rejecting its latest bid. So, overall, a cautious market, artificial intelligence still front and center, and earnings season nearing the finish line. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.